Many time when there is not our certainty, means we are when we can't tell anything sure, we use the word probably. That probably I'll study today. Probably it will rain today. Probably the 10th standard result will be declared on 25th. That probably itself it state that it is not certain, it is not sure, it is unsure. Now we are going to see some sentences. And these sentences we are going to classify as a certain, may happen, or impossible. See the first sentence. Most probably the rain will start from today. It may happen because there is a season of the rain. It may happen. Corona will vanish tomorrow. This is impossible. It is not going to get vanish. All of sudden tomorrow there is no corona. It is not going to happen like that. So this is the impossible. It is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in the next match. This is also, you can say, impossible. I will surely get first class. It may happen. There is no possibility of polio infection if a child is given the polio vaccine in time. Yeah, this is the certain event. If you give the polio vaccine, the child will get protected from the polio disease infection. Color selected from 7 colors of rainbow is black. It is impossible because black color doesn't comes in the 7 colors of rainbow. When magnesium is burned in air, magnesium dioxide is formed. This is the certain event. This is a scientific event. Anywhere in the world, you burn the magnesium, magnesium dioxide is going to form. So now from this, what you can start this one, there are two types of experiment or two types of event, we can say rather. Some experiment which are called as a scientific experiment in which all the result. Now in this probability, we are going to use the word result as a outcomes are already known. They are fixed that anywhere if you any person to person or anywhere in the place to place, it is not going to change. For example, magnet rests in the south north position. Then one, when sodium hydroxide is reacted with the hydrochloric acid, sodium chloride and water is formed. It is going to happen everywhere, anytime, any place, anything, anywhere. It is going to happen the same thing. So the result is fixed. These are called scientific experiment, which we are studying in science. Some experiments in which we know all the possible results are known in advance. We know what is going to happen, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. So this is about coming, it is sure. We can't tell anything is sure. Whereas the all there is a equal possibility of each result are known as a random experiment. And in probability, we study about the random experiment. So what is meant by random experiment? If I toss a coin, what is going to happen? I know what is going to happen. That is either it will be head or it will be tail. But I can't tell definitely that it will be head or it will be tail. Throwing a die. If a die is thrown, everybody is playing that snake and this one slider. So that is, you are throwing a die in that case. So we know what is going to happen. Either it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other than that, any result is not going to come. But any of this result will definitely come. That also we are not sure. Okay, I'll get 6 this time. No one can tell like that. So outcomes result, that is, what is the outcomes? The result of the random experiment is known as a outcome. That if all the outcomes are known, but we can't predict any outcome definitely. Means actually probability is related with the uncertainty thing is there. Here is one experiment. In a random experiment of tossing a coin, we know there are two outcomes, either head or it will be tail. In the random experiment of two coins are tossed together, there are four outcomes. What is going to happen? Here is the head and tail of the one coin. Here head and tail of the other coin. What is going to happen? Either it will be both will be head. On one head it will be tail. It will be tail and head or tail and tail. You should be able to write all the possibilities. The one more experiment. We know that on the top of a die, the number of dots are present and which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what will happen if I throw the die? A die is a singular one, remember that. I may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means there are 6 possibilities. So outcomes are 6. Now if I open the July month page of a calendar and selected one date randomly for mathematics exhibition, including Sunday also, all are the working days for us now. So then see how many possibilities are there? Yes, there are 31 days in the month of July. Hence 31 possibilities. Now if we are taking the holidays on Sunday, so we are excluding Sunday. So how many possibilities are there? So there are 4 Sundays in the July. So 31 minus 4, that is 27 possibilities. Now you find out that one day of a week is selected randomly. What are the possibilities? How many days are there in the week? That all are the possibilities. Now you can solve the exercise 5.1 from your textbook. And one more video I am giving you here, that is YouTube video. Go through it. It is the probability and what are random experiment in which we know all the result but any one cannot be predicted are called random experiment. There are the certain types of examples in the probability. The most famous is of die, coin and the cards. For a die, you know the number on the faces can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take die फेंका तो हमें क्या क्या मिल सकता है? You will get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. How to understand ki how many points will be there in the sample space? What is the outcome that you studied? You solved the first exercise. Possibilities. You can say they are possibilities. So how many possibilities are there when the one coin is tossed? So you get it always by 2 raised to n. N is the number of coins. Means if there is only one coin, you get 2 raised to 1. That is only 2 tosses you get. 2 raised to 1 is 2. You get H or T. When there are 2 coins are tossed, you get 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 means what? So there are 4 outcomes. HH, HT, TH and TT. Don't get confused between the word outcomes and possibilities. Meaning of both is the same. What will happen if the 3 coins are tossed? So outcomes, total outcomes or possibilities will go to become 8. That is 2 raised to 3. But how to write it? So remember student, here is a simple method of writing. Here 3 times H is written. Okay. In the second one, we'll replace only first H by T. बाकी वैसे ही रखेंगे. In the third one, we are going to replace middle H by T. बाकी दोनों वैसे ही. In the fourth, only the T last H is replaced. This is the 4 outcomes you got for the first coin. The same way second how you are going to get? Triple T. पहला जो है वो replace करो H से, बीच में इस replace करो, लास्ट में replace करो. Remember students, here writing the sample space is very very important, because if the sample space is wrong, everything goes on wrong. Because what you are going to study is the probability, is the part you are going to pick up some part of the sample space. Now this is about the 2 dice are thrown. The same number is applied, same formula is applied here also. In this now example, you get a number of outcomes or the possibilities by 6 raised to n. What is n? So n is again number of, you must be played the card. Now what are the playing cards is having? So there are total 4 suits. Out of that 2 are red and 2 are black. Total there are 52 cards. The 52 are divided into 4 suits. With each suit is having 13 cards. So there are 2 suits of red, that is diamond and heart. So total 26 cards are red and spades and clubs are black. So there are 26 cards are black. The set of all possible outcomes. What is the sample space? Many times we are using the word that sample space. So what is the sample space? So set of all possible outcomes, oblique you can say possibilities of a random experiment, is called a sample space. it is denoted by S, capital S, or omega. See how the symbol is written, Greek letter. Hmm? In our book, it is shown by S only. We are not going to use the omega for our examples. Now each element of the sample space is called the sample point. Means in the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the sample points. Don't get confused between a die and dice. When you say a die, it is a singular one. When you say dice, it becomes a plurals. Same for the coin and coins. Understand the difference and then write the sample space. Now there are some examples of the finite sample space. You know what is meant by finite? Remember what finite set we have studied? So all the sample space what you are going to study will be the finite only. We are not going to consider about the infinite sample spaces. These are the some example which you required again and again. Make the habit of writing the sample spaces of these experiments. Now write the sample space for these are the different type of examples. The 2-digit number is formed using digits 2, 1, 5, 4 and 0 at once without repetition. In this case, what is happening? You cannot start a number with 0. If I wrote 0, 1, 0, 2, what is going to happen? Yes, right, it is a one digit. We know 0, 1 means what? It is 1. And we want the numbers which will be 2 digits. Same way, it is written without repetition. Repetition means what? You can't write 22, 11, 55, 44 and so on. So like this means if you try to write the number, here also make one habit. There is a rule of writing the number. I'll start with 2. 2 I can't write because it is without repetition. So I can write here first 2, 1. Then I'll write 2, 5. Then I'll write 2, 4. And then I'll write 2, 0. Means for one number I'm getting total 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 numbers. Now try to find out what is the next is going to come. Of course it is 12, 15, 14 and 10. For third 52, 51, 54 and 50. And for last 4, 42, 41, 45 and 40. So like this you are going to get the sample space. Means there will be 16 elements in the sample space. Remember you can't start with the 0, 1, 0, 2. Why? Because it becomes the one digit number. If this word is not there without repetition, if the word will not be there, then you can write 22, 11, 55. So sample space will increase by 4 elements. Now a bag contains 50 cards. Each card bears only one number from 1 to 50. Now what is the sample space? So yes, what are the possibilities? So yes, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash up to 50. So sample space will come. You are going to write like that only. S, let S be the sample space. S is equal to, you will start writing 1, 2, 3. Are you going to write all the elements up to 50? Not necessary. You can put the dash, dash, dash. Last number you have to write again 50. A sanitization committee of 2 members is to be formed from 3 boys, 2 girls. Write sample space S and the number of sample points. Now we are going to come for this example particularly, we are going to write boys as a B1, B2, B3. B1, B2, B3 and the girls will be G1, G2. Now make the combinations, that is B1, G1, B1, G2. Then again B2, G1, B2, G2. Now you are writing B2 means boys 2 and girl 2. So that time you can't write again G2 and B2 because the committee is same. Try to write sample space. Remember that anything will not get repeat here. Only one time you are going to get this one. And that even this also you are going to try the same way. The upper example I shown how to do. Now this you are going to try and show me these sample spaces in your book. And send me the pictures as usual. Now what is event? The outcomes satisfying particular condition are called favorable outcomes. A set of all favorable outcomes is the sample space. Means where you are going to study find out the event, इवेंट विल बी इन द सैम्पल स्पेस. सैम्पल स्पेस के अलावा इवेंट नहीं होगी. एक भी एलिमेंट सैम्पल स्पेस के अलावा नहीं होगा. तो मेक इट इन क्लियर इन योर माइंड. Event is a subset of sample space. We have studied the subset. Subset means what? Event में जो part आता है वो पहले sample space में होना चाहिए. Event are generally denoted by capital letters other than S. Why we can't use S? Because S is already used for sample space. So remaining any alphabet you can use, that is A, B, C, D. It is your wish what you want to use. Now understand the event and the sample space. Student, now we are bringing the bag to the school always. If in my period, now I told you to remove the mathematics book. Then in this case, what is the possibilities if I try to remove this one? So what is that? All the possibilities are going to come in the sample space. कितने सब्जेक्ट होते हैं अपने पास? तो जिनके पास पंजाबी, जिनका पंजाबी है, ये पकड़ के चलेंगे. तो what is going to happen? It can be English, Marathi, Hindi, Punjabi, Maths 1, Maths 2, Science 1, Science 2, History, Geography, History and Political Science and Geography. Means there will be 10 books in your bag. So means there will be 10 elements in the sample space. Correct? Now, if you consider event of removing the maths book, what is going to happen? Either it will be maths 1 or it will be maths 2. So A is equal to maths 1 or maths 2. Means there will be only 2 elements. Okay. So means before writing or before solving the probability example, you must write the sample space. Okay. Now what is the probability? So in mathematical language, when probability of an expected event is expressed in number, it is called probability. It is expressed as a fraction or percentage. Actually, we don't use the percentage. We keep it as a fraction. Means some number comes in the numerator, some number comes in the denominator. For a random experiment, if S is the sample space, A is an expected event, then probability of A is denoted as a PA. P stands for probability, A stands for event. और वो formula क्या है? तो PA is equal to number of sample points in event divided by number of sample points in sample space. Na upon Ns. Tell me what type of fraction it will be. It will be the fraction that is a perfect fraction. That denominator always will be bigger. Remember students, that probability you can't get any time more than 1. It can be 0 or it can be 1 and between all the numbers you get. 0 कब होती है वो देखेंगे एग्जाम्पल में. बट मोर देन 2 प्रोबेबिलिटी मिली या आपको 3/2 आंसर मिला तो 100% आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है. Here let us see. The probability of any event is from 0 to 1 or 0% to 100%. When the probability is 0, the event is called impossible event. कौन सी impossible event? If a die is thrown and I am getting 7 on the top, होगा क्या कभी ऐसे? नहीं होगा. तो that event is called impossible event. और उसकी probability क्या है? 0. When probability of event is 1, it is called certain. Certain means what? Sure. 100% होगा. The number obtained is less than 7 when a die is thrown. Less than 7 means what numbers are coming? Yes, of course. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, यही होता है ना. तो that is event और sample space में सभी same number आएंगे. तो that is called certain. Certain means sure. जब 1 probability means 100% होगा. Let us see this first example. In the game of chance, a spinning arrow comes to rest at one point of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these are equally like outcomes. Find the probability that it will rest at, first one is a 8 and second one is a number greater than 2. There are two questions in this. How to start with? So here now there are dash possibilities of resting an arrow. How many possibilities are there? So there are total 8 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 possibilities. Now how to start with? So let S be the sample space. means S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, what is ns is equal to number of elements in the S is equal to 8. Now, A is the event that the arrow will rest on number 8. Now, how many 8 are there in that arrow, or how many 8 are there in the sample space? So, there is only one 8. Therefore, in the set A equal to only 8. One element will be there. And therefore, number of elements is equal to 1. Now, remember that event is always a subset of S. Means that 8 should be up. Up it should be written first, and then it is going to come in A. So probability of A is going to become Na upon Ns. So 1 upon 8. Now similarly think about the second event, the number greater than 2. Find out how many numbers are there in the S which are greater than 2, that all are going to come in B. Solve this probability example, second part, and then send me on my WhatsApp. Now this is one more example. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find probability of getting, first question is at least one head, and second question is at the most one head. Now let us write the sample space first. I told how to write the sample space. Let us revise here again. First S is equal to, I wrote all the 3 H first. Then in the second I am replacing first H by T. So it is going to become THH. Then in the third I am replacing middle H by T. And in the fourth I am replacing last T H by T. Same thing we are going to do in the next part. So there are total 8 outcomes. Now let us understand the word at least. What is meant by at least? So at least means minimum. You should get at least 50% mark. Means what? कि 50% तो मिलने ही चाहिए, उसके ज़्यादा मिले तो well and good, लेकिन minimum आपको 50 चाहिए. Means here at least when you say, it means that it should be one head at least. Means 2 also are okay, even the 3 also are okay. So what is A? Now what is here? A is event is going to contain, so all the elements except TTT. Why TTT will not come? Because there is no H at all. तो जहाँ पे एक H आता है या 2 H आते हैं या तीनों H आते हैं, all 3 are going to come in the event A. So Na is going to become 7. So what is the probability of A? Again the formula is A Na upon Ns. 7 upon 8. See here, always the smaller number comes in the numerator and the bigger number comes in the denominator. Now consider the word at the most. At the most is talking about the maximum number. Means what? At the most one head means what? उसका मतलब क्या है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मुझे एक ही हेड चाहिए. तो कम से कम क्या बिल्कुल हेड नहीं होगा, then it is okay. Means what? In the if you consider the sample space, यहाँ पे 3 नहीं चलेंगे, 2 नहीं चलेंगे, क्या चलेगा? बिल्कुल नहीं है. मीन्स TTT will चलेगा, HTT चलेगा, THT चलेगा और TTH चलेगा. Now you solve this. Write the B, find out NB, and then find out the probability of B, and complete the sum. Now one more example. A card is drawn at random from the pack of a well shuffled 52 cards. Find probability that the card drawn is red. As we discussed previously, what you say, there are 52 cards in the pack. Therefore, NS is equal to 52. In this case, no need to write whole sample space. It will be critical to write all that 52 elements. So the condition, card drawn is red. There are 13, total 26 red cards. So what is going to become? Na is equal to 26. यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्ट लिख रहे हैं Na equal to 26. So what is the probability of A will be? Na upon Ns. So it is going to become 26 upon 52. So it is going to become 1 upon 2. Now this is one more example. Find the probability. Suppose a coin is flipped 3 times. Flip means toss. 3 times a coin is tossed. What is the probability of getting 2 tail and 1 head? क्वेश्चन आया समझ में कि 2 tail चाहिए और 1 head चाहिए. Again, first thing is what? Let S be the sample space. S is containing. You have written the 8 elements. अभी उसमें से हमें ढूंढना है कि जहाँ पे क्या आएगा 2 tails and 1 head. Find out it is what is going to how much it is coming. One more example. If one die is rolled, then find the probability of each of the following event. Number on the upper face is perfect square and number on the upper face is odd. Now let S be the sample space. What is going to come in S? A die. A die means it is one single die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to come. So NS is equal to 6. Now A is the event of getting perfect square. अभी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 which is the perfect square? So 1 is the perfect square. Many students forget to write the 1, they write only 4 and whole thing goes wrong. So always say in your mind, I'm telling you every time to write the squares in the book. Why? So you should get to what you can say familiar with the square कि 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square now. तो इसमें से क्या आने वाला है यहाँ पे 1 and 4. तो Na is equal to 2 because there are 2 elements in the A. So what is the probability of A? Na upon Ns. So it is going to come 2 upon 6, that is 1 upon 3. Always get the reduced form. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. इसके आगे reduce करना है क्या? तो नहीं, keep as it is. Now what is the second question? Number on the upper face is odd. Now out of this S, find out which are the odd number and write the event B as a number on the upper face is odd and solve the question for